Every half-brained degenerate and his moon boy brother are dancing on the tabletops. That Bitcoin is rallying from the lows. But ladies and gentlemen, we must examine what's going on here. Is this possibly just going to be one gigantic bull trap before a plunge deep down into the crypto abyss? Let's dive in and analyze. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. So let's not waste any time and get right down to it. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that we were closely analyzing this trapdoor range here, stating that if this range were to break and the support is lost, that we could see a flush, heinous capitulation down towards the target of 20,000. And what do you know, little Jimmy? Whoopsies! The dawn struck gold again. We hit the target, and now, in my opinion, we're seeing nothing more than a little reactionary bounce rally here amidst a longer-term bear market. This is normal. This is what you would expect to see. I mean, just look at the last time we had a swift move to the downside. We then consolidated sideways for weeks and weeks and weeks, and then we dropped another minus 44%. But what you have to understand here, ladies and gentlemen, is that from the bottom to the top on this last drop, we rallied for roughly almost 30% to the upside. You have to understand that this is normal, right? And if we pull from the bottom to the top right now, very comparable levels here, ladies and gentlemen. This one up here, roughly 27%. This one right down here at the time of recording, roughly plus 24%. This is not anything, in my opinion, to be getting all too excited about. Now, if you are subscribed to this channel, then you would know that I have been closely following the one-day Keltner channels indicator here. Now, quick recap. On the way up in the 2021 bull market, we saw the trading action all towards the top of the band, using the bottom of the band as support. Then when we flipped into the bear market, it was the exact opposite. Majority of the trading at the lower half of the band, using the top half of the band as resistance to continuously plunge us deeper down into the crypto abyss. Now, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing abnormal. Before our most recent plunge, we saw us get rejected up at the top of the band. We then continued to drop below, and now here we are, still in the bottom half of the band. But if we are to continue to see a reactionary rally here, it would make a lot of sense, in my opinion, for us to test up into the top half of this Keltner channel. Now, this channel moves, right? It works like a moving average. Each and every day that goes by, this channel is going to change a little bit. Right now, at the time of recording, the median line here is about 23,000, and the top line is just above 26,000. So if we are going to get another push to the upside here, I would expect some potential resistance to come in inside this range. And if we do go up in here and start to see the market sell off again, ladies and gentlemen, getting rejected in there and plunging further down would be the same exact occurrence that we've seen time and time and time again all throughout this bear market. Let's get this crypto. But right now, what's really funny to me, ladies and gentlemen, is that this market is in the worst shape it's been in a very, very long time. I mean, as I showed you earlier, we plunged nearly, what is this, 45% in only several weeks' time. We're in an absolutely abysmal market right now. I mean, the buy pressure in this market has been almost non-existent for quite some time now. The global equities market is in turmoil. We still are having lingering effects of the pandemic. We still have a war going on. And ladies and gentlemen, the U.S. Federal Reserve is in a rate hiking cycle right now. They're hiking rates at a pace that we have not seen in about 40 years' time. This is increasing the value of the US dollar relative to other fiat currencies. I mean, just take a look here at the chart of the US dollar index, ticker symbol DXY. This is the US dollar compared to many other top world currencies. I mean, it's absolutely parabolic. This thing is on a rip to the upside, a rocket ship ride. It's mooning, little Jimmy. When moon, Kirby? Just take a look at the US dollar index, little Jimmy. It's on a moonshot, okay? We're at roughly 22-year highs here for the DXY. This is putting pressure on crypto. This is putting pressure on equities. It's a flight to safety play. people right now are taking risk off the table, right? If this were a casino, they're taking their chips off the table, going over to the cage cashier, trading in their chips for dollars, sticking those dollars back in their pocket and exiting the casino. And that's why this chart looks like this. And that's why Bitcoin's chart looks like an absolutely disgusting waterfall to the downside. Let's get this crypto. Simple stuff here, folks. Very, very simple. Now, if you're not understanding why the rate hiking cycle here could be very problematic for crypto, equities, etc. moving forward, just understand. The Federal Reserve is making it more difficult for the banks and institutions to borrow money from them. Okay? So if you make it harder to obtain capital, what does that do to the current capital that's already readily available? Whoops. It makes it harder to obtain, which increases its value. You understand? So right now, even though inflation is raging, the current capital available in the system is more expensive to obtain. Okay, that's what's happening here. So as long as this rate hike cycle continues, I mean, I really wouldn't expect this DXY chart to change. I would expect the trend to continue upwards. The more they raise the rates, the higher the DXY will go, in my opinion. That's just my opinion. Of course, I could be wrong on that. But the fact of the matter is that it puts pressure on equities, cryptos, etc. when they're raising rates. And it is very, very bullish for the US dollar as a currency compared to other world currencies when they do such a thing. Let's get this crypto. Just want to paint the picture here, folks, because the US dollar index rising is not bullish for crypto. In fact, it's the opposite. The last time that we had a sustained bull rally in the DXY, we had a crypto bear market. The last two times that we've had a sustained decline in the DXY, we've had raging bull markets. Just understand, there has been a direct correlation here since the past, 5 or 6 years right now. Let's get this crypto. The dawn struck gold again. So now let's get back to the Bitcoin chart. Just wanted to paint that picture for you there. So it's really concerning to me, folks, that right now we're just seeing a classic reaction rally. I mean, what else would you expect here? Just a straight line down infinitely forever? I mean, this is how markets work. There are huge sell-offs, there are consolidations, there are test rallies to the upside that can fail, then some more consolidation, then another dump. This is just how these things work, right? We're in a grinding bear market. But so many little jimmies, ladies and gentlemen, right? I didn't make a video for 2 days because what? What is there to cover here, little Jimmy? The price has done nothing in 3 days besides consolidate sideways. And these absolutely brain dead incels in the comment section, oh, the Bitcoin price is moving up and Kirby's not posting. He only makes videos when the price is going down. Kirby, get wrecked. We're going to the moon. If you're sitting here, little Jimmy, an inch away from your computer screen, huffing and puffing, mouth breathing, oh, the Bitcoin price, oh, it's going up. Where's Kirby? You, my friend, you need psychological help. You need professional help. And you need to just zoom out and take a look at what's going on in the grand scheme of things. The macro is not good for any market right now. It's great for the US dollar, in my opinion. It's not great for everything else, basically. This type of rally here, folks, I've been pointing it out, that I've even made videos that we could go all the way up towards 25, 26, possibly even 27,000 before then possibly seeing a reversal here, right? He's not making videos because the price is going up. Did your mother drop you on your head when you were 3 days old, little Jimmy? Let's get this crypto. That's what it feels like to the dawn. Keep your low IQ, degenerate comments out of my comment section, little Jimmy. There's a reason that you're the one leaving the comments and I'm the one making the videos. Let's get this crypto. The dawn struck gold again. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just waiting and watching here. There was a pattern here on the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to paint it for you now. Shout out to my VIPs. I kept you guys up to date with this. I actually was looking for a long here myself. I wound up taking along here. I since closed it because I don't like the development that's going on right here, but there was a possible bullish head and shoulders pattern here on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin with a target. I mean, it does coincide with that range we were talking about earlier at the top of the Keltner channel, right up at around 26,000. But this type of action here that we're seeing, this isn't necessarily what I want to see on a possible bullish inverse head and shoulders breakout. I would have liked to see some further momentum to the upside building here rather than just sideways consolidation around our last local high area of resistance. I hope that makes sense. So I was looking for a long there, did hop in one quick. I exited for a very, very, very small loss. I mean, less than 1%. I just didn't like what I saw anymore, right? The trade setup changed for me. I didn't like it. I got out. Many other content creators are probably still pointing out that this is the pattern. I mean, could we still wind up going up from here? Absolutely. Is it because of this pattern? I don't think so. To me, if we go back to the 1-day time frame here for Bitcoin, it's really all eyes on the Keltner channels indicator for me, folks. That's the one where we've seen the most reliable areas of support and resistance over the past several months. And you can see the measured move of the pattern right now puts us right up near the top of the range there, which would be absolutely normal in my opinion for if, keyword if, we are to continue bullishly, to see some resistance come in and then possibly continue to trend down from there. Let's get this crypto. Just real talk here today, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, if you do want to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas and things of that nature, I mean, you can see here, this is just an example. This was my trade synopsis from my short back above 27,000 before this thing absolutely plunged into the abyss. This is what you can expect in VIP, ladies and gentlemen. My posts look just like this. I post my trade setup idea, my strategy idea, some additional thoughts on why I'm seeing what I'm seeing, doing what I'm doing, and then I post updates that you can see on the right-hand side, right, where I continue to update you all along the way with how I'm managing this trade setup idea, taking profit all along the way. Let's get this crypto. The Don struck gold again. It is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're not already in my VIP and you'd like to see my next real-time trade setup idea as I look to potentially crush this next market move like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can, then today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's go. And you know what? Let's go back to the DXY, the US dollar index chart, for just a moment. Now, here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We have a very clear pattern, in my opinion, building here. A possible bullish cup and handle pattern, right? Cup. Right now, we are possibly forming the support range here where we saw that the handle has come in, possibly forming support. And if we are now to break this neckline of resistance up here, to me, ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the most picture perfect, really could even take a screenshot of it and put it in a textbook to teach people about patterns. I mean, this would be perfect, right? And the measured move for this target would be from the deepest point of the cup to the neckline, drag it over to the potential breakout point. And ladies and gentlemen, this does give us a target up around 110 on the DXY, which, let's zoom out here to the weekly, you guys can see this would be putting us up nearly at multi-decade highs. Let's get this crypto. So unbelievable stuff here. We're going to have to see how this plays out. I just wanted to point out, right, that with the macro taken into consideration, and then even just looking here at the daily, we have a bullish macro situation for the US dollar index, in my opinion. And here on the daily, we have a possible bullish cup and handle pattern here. Sheesh, folks. I mean, you can see how this stuff starts to pile on and just not look so great for Bitcoin, in my opinion, right? But it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. And the fact of the matter is, let's just pull up the Wall Street cheat sheet psychology of a market cycle for a moment. I mean, there are still moon boys in here with a hope and a dream for a moonshot and a Lamborghini. And that's evident by the people that are still in the comment section, right? This guy, he's not posting because it's going up. Unbelievable, right? Unbelievable. We just dropped minus 44%, and the reaction rally is just consolidating sideways with little blips of movement to the upside. And these people are sitting here an inch away from their screen. These people need to be flushed out of the market. They're still there, ladies and gentlemen. They're still there. And as long as these people are still here, I personally don't feel that we have seen a low come in for the Bitcoin price. Let's get this crypto. I'm fired up. If these people are still here, huffing and puffing, an inch away from their screen, I do not think the bottom is in. Let's get this crypto. Hot take from the Don. Ladies and gentlemen, if you enjoyed here today, a thumbs up would be greatly appreciated. Make sure you also hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all, as this is the most must-see and most realistic Bitcoin analysis show on YouTube, period. Do not miss any more of these important Bitcoin updates. Welcome to the channel. And as I said earlier, ladies and gentlemen, I am looking for my next aggressive trade setup idea here to potentially crush this next market move, right? All the mouth breathers, they can get wrecked, while the Don looks to potentially strike gold again. Let's get this crypto. So ladies and gentlemen, if you do want to see all of my real-time trade setup ideas, entry ideas, additional insights, entry ideas, potential take profit ideas, everything just like that in absolute real time, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from average Joe into savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you inside the most must be a part of crypto VIP group in the space right now after this video. I'll see you inside VIP. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and before I forget, don't fall for any of the fake Kirby accounts posting down in the comment section. They create fake accounts with a nearly identical username and logo to mine, then they reply to your comments with phone numbers and email addresses trying to get you to contact them. You can see several examples on your screen right now. Do not contact these people. So here's how you can verify that it's my actual real account. It's very simple. When you're watching a video on my channel, my real account will always have a gray nameplate behind my name. I also have a verified checkmark from YouTube. And just to make it even more obvious that it's me, I always leave a creator heart on my comments. Only the channel owner can leave a creator heart. So if you see the heart plus the gray background and the verified checkmark, you know that it's me. If you don't see those things, then it's obviously a fake account. It's as simple as that. They're also creating fake accounts over on Telegram now. So if you are ready to become a VIP, do not go on Telegram and search Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP. You're going to find all fake results. My group is private. When you search that in the search bar, you're getting public results. They're all fake. They're all imposters. So if you're ready to join VIP, the only way to do so is to click the link either in the pinned comment or in the description of my video. If you search for Crypto Kirby or Crypto Kirby VIP anywhere else, you're going to be getting in contact with a fake. Only use the links in either the pinned comment or the description of my official video. Stay safe and stay smart, my friends. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
Material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell /long or short any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments. Nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. Crypto Kirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. Crypto Kirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. Crypto Kirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. Crypto Kirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. Crypto Kirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.